Today I will reveal 6 new ways you can make money online quite easy, even if you do it only around 2 to 3 hours every day. First way you can make money is the one I would recommend, which is freelancing. Freelancing still is one of the best and easiest ways for anyone to start making money online. I think freelancing could be the best way to make the jump and transition from regular 9-to-5 job to working independently by yourself. I know many people that are scared to make the jump, but after they do it, they are much more satisfied with working by their own rules and with their own daily schedule. Because even if you fail, you can always go back to your regular job. Best place to start freelancing is on this website called Upwork. This is the platform I use myself to outsource video editors or social media agents. All you'll need is to get 3 to 5 clients and you can live off doing freelance job. One freelancing idea I can suggest if you live in a small country with different language would be a translating job. You would be surprised how much money you can actually make by translating from English to other smaller languages. But the niches and opportunities on the Upwork are countless, so definitely check it out yourself. Second way you can make money online is with newsletter. You might think newsletter or blog is an old way to make money and people don't read long articles in 2023, but there are many people who actually make hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars every year by writing a newsletter. And the best part, you can actually write the newsletter once a week. And it's not like you have to write 10 to 100 pages every day. On average, it is more like 1000 to 1500 word long articles, which is about 3 to 5 minutes of reading time. The best part is that you can write about any topic you like and you need zero gear or any expensive subscriptions to start. You can start right now after you watch this video. There are even people that have gained thousands of readers and sold their newsletters for millions of dollars. So this is an actually great way you can sell your business later on if you get tired of it. 2 best people I can suggest that you can learn from on how to start making money with writing newsletter are Dan Coe and Justin Welsh. They have really valuable content and you can watch them on YouTube as well. Number 3 is utilizing specific talents. This could be the most underrated way to make money online because most people want to jump in the most generic and usual ways to earn money online, but if you have a specific skill or specific interests that no one has, this could be a best way you can create a sustaining business. Even weird things like being good at Tetris, Rubik's Cube, juggling, collecting Pokemon or Batman toys, or anything you can think about can make you a living. I mentioned these examples specifically because there are actually a guy who's doing big numbers with playing Tetris at really high level and people who are collecting big brand collectibles like Pokemon or whatever. If you can utilize your talents or skills by documenting and making videos, drawing or writing or podcasting, you should definitely do it. The truth is that all you need is to get 100 to 1000 real fans that can support you in your specific niche. Social media is the best place you can do the weirdest things and get paid for doing them. Another way you can make money online is copywriting. Copywriting is similar to blog and newsletter. The difference is that copywriting is usually writing for promotional or marketing materials. It is more for business to generate income or bring in more sales. And this also is an incredible high income skill you can master because if you want to run your own solo one-person business, you will have to understand how to persuade people to buy your product or service. Copywriting is basically a skill that makes your advertisement stand out and be more effective in the specific region, specific age, or any way you can target your audience to sell your product and service more effectively. The next is YouTube. YouTube is the oldest and still the best social media platform for generating passive and non-passive income. If I had to predict, I would say that YouTube will still be the top platform for the next 5 years. You can become great in 5 years doing basically anything. Even if you don't start earning from YouTube in the first year or second year, all you need is just hit that one semi-viral video. If not, you will already have gained many loyal followers that earning will become an option. This is why I'm creating YouTube content. The best part is that my older videos are still receiving views and new subscribers. It is the snowball effect. And the most important way to get this compounding effect is to be consistent. Just focus on uploading frequently and improving 1% every time and monetization will happen naturally. The sixth way you can can make money is by following trends. Crypto, NFTs, ChatGPT, green energy, these are all the innovations you are probably sick of hearing. But the secret is that you can grow fast by jumping on these early. There are 20-year-olds that are making hundreds of millions every year by building a solar panel companies. You might think online businesses are the best way to make money. It is actually the most oversaturated market right now, and building something outside online could actually be easier and faster. Another opportunity is creating content around virtual reality. Apple just announced their virtual reality headset, so there will be a huge growth in the VR/AR space in the upcoming months. So thanks for watching this video. Feel free to drop a like so the YouTube algorithm can push this video out and I can continue dropping these videos. Thanks for watching.